President Gibraltar, Congressman Bartlett, the Honorable Mayor Frostburg, thank you for allowing me to give you a few words here. It is my true pleasure for me to be here today representing the Department of Physics and Engineering at Frostburg State University at this very special occasion. The completing of this sustainable energy research facility is an excellent example of the enormous opportunities that awaits Frostburg State University and the Western Maryland region in increased efforts and initiatives related to renewable and clean energy. We are very proud of this new facility. The Frostburg State University community, led by Dr. Gibraltar, along with the builders, have worked real hard to see this project through to completion. FSU Renewable Energy Center mission is to promote the use of renewable energy resources available for the region and the surrounding area by developing educational activities, research projects, industrial partnerships, and community outreach programs. Dr. O. Soysel and Mrs. Hilkat Soysel, both at the Department of Physics and Engineering and also as architects of this great idea and co-directors of this project, worked countless hours for the success of this project. Would you please two stand up? It is through his assistance, mission, and dedication to the state of Maryland, Congressman Roscoe Bartlett, the 6th District was able to secure major funding for this project, the benefit of which will not only impact Frostburg State University or the regional area, but also potentially the entire nation, as advanced research in energy management in this unique building will be carried on. For his accomplishment and commitment, the entire community of Western Maryland, especially the Department of Physics and Engineering, owes Congressman Roscoe Bartlett a big round of applause. Everybody, please. Congressman, your support is greatly appreciated. The Department of Physics and Engineering, which contains many of the finest educators and researchers in the area, will work with you all in seeing this facility is used to its full potential. It is essentially, and especially for me, easily to see or foresee this as being the beginning of a cooperation between various researchers, educators, for community outreach, putting our school ahead in smart energy and wise energy building technology in the nation. Thank you very much for allowing me this few minutes. Thank you.
Thank you very much. At this time,